Hello, today we're going to talk about identifying functions, and the first thing we're going to go over is basically this is like a game show. You're asking, is it a function? We're going to go over sets first. Alright, I've shown this before in another video. If you want to go more into it, you can go look for it and find it. But this is basically how I figure out if something's a function or not. It's just written down into a chart. So functions. The first thing you always want to ask yourself, does the x or the domain or the input repeat? All right, so if the x does not repeat, so no, it doesn't repeat, it's automatically a function. All right, if it does repeat, you have to ask yourself, do they have the same y points? No, they do not have the same y points, not a function. Yes, they have the same y points, is a function. I'm not going to go more in depth into that. I'm just going to go through it as I go. If you want, again, you can go look at the other video if you want to see more about it. So the first thing I need to say, does the x repeat? So I'll just pull up my domains. So 0, 1, 0, 1, and 5. Are any of those the same thing? No. So this is a function. I don't have to go any further than that. Yay. All right, let's try the next one. Stick with the chart. Does the x repeat? All right, so let's look at our domain. Our domain is 1, 0, -1. Do those repeat? Nope, it's a function. If you stick with my chart, you'll be very, very pleased with how it turns out. The trick here is people see that 5. That's the same for all the range. That doesn't matter. If you go by the chart, you'll see that and you go, oh no, it's not a function, all the 5's repeat. That's not the chart. That's not till the second step. Do any of the x's repeat? No, it's automatically a function. All right, and down here, let's do our domain here. 2, 3, and 2. All right, now we're getting somewhere. The x's do repeat. So yes, they do repeat. Do they have the same y points? So now I have to do my range. So this 2 has a 3, all right? And that has a 4. And no, I don't have to do what the 3 is. All I have to do is look at what the 2 is, and it's a 6. So are 3 and 6 the same thing? No, it's not a function. All right, we're going to do 2 more examples. All right, so is this a function? All right, let's look at our domains first, because we need to know, does the domain or the x repeat? 2, 5, -1, 6, and 5. So 2, 5, -1, 6, and 5. Do any of those repeat? Yes, they do. All right, so now we have to ask ourselves, do they have the same y points? So now I don't have to look at all of them. I'm only looking at this one and, nope, not that one, the 5s. This one and this one. This one has a 6, this one has an 8. Are 6 and 8 the same number? No, not a function. Let's look at the bottom one. Our domain is 0, 7, 2, and 0. All right, do any of those repeat? Yes, the 0's do. Now, let's look at the range of those, of the 0's. This is a 4, and this is a 4. So, do the x's repeat? Yes. Do they have the same y points? Yes. It's a function. I hope this helped. Good luck.